Hello everyone, welcome back to NewsQuest India. Today we will talk about Celeste Karuria. Celeste Karuria was born in Savar, Ajmer, Rajasthan. Belonging from middle class family, she completed her basic education at native town to Savar, Ajmer. She initiated her writing skills during her school days and after pursuing her schooling, she appeared for the pre-medical exams but unfortunately couldn't crack the PMT examination. And this created a bad impact on her mental health and she opted to fire up all her writings on fire. But it was no end to this future novelist as she holds interest in painting and creative works too. After completing BSc, she went for admission in post-graduation programs that is MSc Bioscience in Banasthali Vidyapeeth. She got labelled herself in first rank holders and also in several prizes and academics. Celeste Karuria participated in Janus 2016 quiz competition and won first position, organized by Faculty of Science and Technology at Banasthali Vidyapeeth, Rajasthan. After admission, she wanted to be an IAS officer, so she have started studying hard for civil services. But the dream of becoming an IAS broke under family pressure. So she went for pursuing her doctorate, aka PhD, where she started writing her first book, Chamde Ka Lutera, and it was her first step to ladder of success. Her marvelous success for this masterpiece was not only shocking for her family, but it was way more motivating to many other youngsters and budding writers to write. Chamde Ka Lutera novel has been nominated for a web series Story to Screen 2020. Apart from the novel, she has written many short stories, among which one story, Broken Ship, got selected in Golden Book of World Records. Apart from writing novels, she has been keen towards painting and art depictions too. She has won many remarkable awards in art and paintings. Chamde Ka Lutera fame, her work, which was judged as the top 100 debut novels, has got critical acclaim all across the country. Her thoughtful romantic creation was nominated for Best Fiction Award in ICMDR 2020 Mumbai along with Konark Lit Fest in 2019. The serene storyteller Miss Karuria has a penchant for painting and creative works which she admits as a soul-satisfying moment for her. Chamde Ka Lutera novel is getting featured on one of the oldest media houses of the country that could be none other than the Pioneer. Celeste Karuria has been featured in the Literary E magazine along with other eminent literary stalwarts inside cover front in many 2020 editions of the Literary Mirror E magazine. Audiobook of Chamde Ka Lutera novel is out on Kuku FM channel. A poem, Tirahe Ka Tamasha, is awarded on June 2020 by presenting the citation for participating on Yoga Day. The subject of the online poets conference of Rajbhasha E-Literary Center, Manipur, Uttar Pradesh. Chamde Ka Lutera is coming soon in Malayalam, mother tongue of Kerala, with title Last Coin. An animated short story Broken Ship published in International Literary Mirror e-magazine of February 2020 edition. Sad India organized an online poetry competition known as Alfas on 27 June 2020. She too participated with the hope to learn more from the others, but surprisingly, she won the third position. She participated in International Contemporary Literary Second Debate Contest that centered on the theme Foreign Aid and the Nation and got a Best Teacher Award for her outstanding record in the field of peace, love, literature, and humanity from the 9 countries of the world. Her story Bebasi, nominated in the shortlist of top 10 of the coveted Story to Screen 2020 for web series. And the big day came when the Literary Mirror found the right story in the form of Bebasi by exciting young authoress Celeste Karuria, which resulted in a ton of excitement among the authors as the Literary Mirror was going to adopt the best story or book into a web series. Miss Karuria has the depth of those emotions which perhaps could only be felt by a serene heart, and she has made us dive into our own understanding of the society. We are grateful to Miss Karuria for such a masterclass society, and we are committed to bring that unbiased emotions on the screen. Her novel Chamde Ka Lutera has been nominated for the Best Fiction Author in the August 2020 award by AIY officials. The LitFest 2020 E-Lit Festival by Kharido Becho Team, Pune, Sharing Stories Books Awards 2020, Cherry Book Award, and the Miracle Stories LitFest 2020. Chamde Ka Lutera featured for the NEATEX Word LitFest 2020 and got Lit Memento and Certificate. Celeste Karuria's articles and achievements got featured in various media such as The Asian, Chronicle, Daily Hunt, The Pioneer, The Cliff News, The World's Mirror, Touch with World, The Realpreneur, Dainik Bhaskar, Deshbandhu, Rajasthan Patrika, The Postman News, Dainik Pushpanjali, Today, etc. Celeste got Sahitya Kosh Samman 2021 medal, awardees memento and badge on Republic Day. Chamde Ka Lutera was nominated for the 2020 Reader's Choice Awards contest by TCK Publishing. Her poem I Am Not Your Cigarette But Your Cigarette Smoke has been selected in the National Record in Zion of Earth by OMG Books of Records. This poem is a result of feelings outburst in a relationship and quite relatable to everyone's feelings. She always hopes that people will understand her writing, and these nominations and certificates inspires everybody to write better. Focusing on her upcoming venture. An upcoming masterpiece, The Broken Ship, penned by acclaimed storyteller Celeste Karuria. The Broken Ship, written by an award-winning author Celeste Karuria, will immerse you into a journey of a mystical universe of ocean. Experience it through the eyes of a child. A microbiologist by qualification and a storyteller by passion, Celeste Karuria has carved a niche for herself as a storyteller. The Chamde Ka Lutera fame has been conferred with a sizable number of awards. Her innocence and sweetness in the thought process are vividly visible in her tales, which struck the chords of the readers. The cuteness of characters in the stories reveals a soft side of the humanity which has been her way of embarking the society to a greater good. Celeste has attempted to convey the fictional world of a small child through the story of the broken ship, where people are running after money. On the other hand, a child is happy in his own world. In The Broken Ship, Celeste describes the thinking of a young child by her imaginary thoughts. The Broken Ship is a fictional story in which Celeste has attracted people of all generations, from small child to old men, by her fictional thinking. It includes cheese horses, chocolate horses, and a queen with green hair, mermaid, who takes them to a different world from the real life. Celeste has an imaginary world in her mind and has written it with her pen and has recorded the Golden Book of World Records. The Broken Ship got selected in the Golden Book of World Record, so stay tuned for this masterpiece.